Have you ever considered the potential benefits of infertility? Now, I know that question might seem a bit out of left field. After all, isn't infertility considered a challenge or even a misfortune by many? Well, I'm here to reveal a different perspective. A perspective that just might challenge your preconceived notions and broaden your understanding. So buckle up, because we are about to embark on a journey of discovery, exploring the unspoken benefits of infertility. For the longest time, society has painted a picture of what an ideal life looks like. The white picket fence narrative often includes having children. However, this traditional perception of life's trajectory isn't the only path to fulfillment or happiness. Infertility, often viewed in a negative light, has its own set of unique benefits, backed by scientific research. It's about time we unveiled these unspoken advantages and started a conversation that challenges the status quo. Infertility, for some, might not be a choice, but that doesn't mean it's devoid of silver linings. It's important to remember that everyone's journey is unique and different. And oftentimes, it's these differences that make us who we are, that shape our experiences and our perspectives. Infertility is no different. It can open up a world of possibilities that might not have been explored otherwise. For some, it might lead to self-discovery, personal growth, or the pursuit of passions and dreams that otherwise might have remained unexplored. For others, it might lead to a deeper understanding and appreciation of life and relationships. It might even offer a chance to contribute to the world in ways that extend beyond traditional familial roles. Now, you might be wondering what these benefits are or how they're scientifically backed. Well, we're going to dive into that. We're going to explore the research, the studies, and the data that support these claims. We're going to delve into the science behind the benefits of infertility, from enhancing longevity to protecting health. So, are you ready to challenge your perceptions, to question the traditional narrative, and to explore the unspoken? Let's delve deeper into the unexpected benefits of infertility. Infertility, often viewed as a drawback, can actually come with its own set of advantages. Let's delve into the scientifically supported benefits of infertility. Yes, you heard that right. Infertility can have advantages. It may seem counterintuitive, but recent scientific studies have shown that there are some unexpected perks to being infertile. One of the most significant benefits is the decreased risk of certain diseases. Women who are infertile have a lower likelihood of developing ovarian and uterine cancers. This is because the constant cycle of ovulation, which can lead to cell mutations and eventually cancer, is disrupted in women who are infertile. Now let's talk about longevity. You might be surprised to learn that infertility can potentially lead to a longer lifespan. Studies have shown that women who have never given birth have a higher chance of living into their 90s compared to those who have. It's hypothesized that the body, free from the rigors of childbirth and childrearing, can devote more resources to maintaining health and longevity. There are other unexpected advantages too. Infertile individuals often have more time and resources to devote to their careers, personal growth, and relationships. They have the opportunity to cultivate a rich and fulfilling life outside of parenthood. Of course, it's essential to note that these benefits do not diminish the emotional pain and challenges that come with infertility. They're simply another perspective, a way to see the glass half full, so to speak. And remember, these benefits are not mere conjectures or wishful thinking. They're backed by scientific research, giving them weight and credibility. To sum it up, while infertility can certainly present its challenges, it also comes with its own unique set of benefits. It's a different path, one that might not be initially chosen, but it can lead to a life that's just as fulfilling and enriched. Infertility, it turns out, has a silver lining that we often overlook. Did you know that infertility can potentially contribute to a longer lifespan? It might sound surprising, but there's scientific research to back it up. Let's dive into this a bit more. For starters, let's talk about the biological mechanisms involved. The body is a complex system, and it's all about balance. When it comes to fertility, there are reproductive hormones at play: estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone, to name a few. Now, these hormones are crucial for reproduction, but they also have other roles in the body. Estrogen, for instance, is not just a female hormone. It plays a vital role in both sexes, impacting everything from bone health to brain function. However, when levels are too high, it can lead to an increased risk of certain health issues like heart disease and certain types of cancer. But here's where infertility comes into the picture. Infertility can lower these hormone levels, potentially reducing the risk of these health issues and leading to a longer lifespan. Interestingly, a similar pattern is seen in the animal kingdom. Consider the naked mole rat, a creature known for its unusual longevity. These little animals are infertile for most of their lives, with only a select few breeding. And guess what? They live up to 7 times longer than similar-sized mammals. Now let's be clear, we're not saying that infertility is a guarantee for a longer life. There's a lot more to longevity than hormone levels. Diet, exercise, genetics, and lifestyle all play significant roles. What we are saying is that infertility isn't all doom and gloom. It's a complicated issue with a silver lining that we're just beginning to understand. And who knows? As we continue to explore this fascinating topic, we might just find that infertility holds even more surprises. So, in conclusion, infertility could potentially be a fountain of youth. It's a startling thought, but one that's grounded in the fascinating world of science. And as we continue to learn and grow, who knows what other unexpected benefits we might uncover. Infertility can also serve as a shield against certain health conditions. This might seem like a surprising statement, but a growing body of research suggests that infertile individuals may have a lower risk of certain diseases. Let's delve a bit deeper into the science behind this. Studies have found that women who are infertile may have a decreased risk of developing breast and ovarian cancers. This is significant, as these are 2 of the most common types of cancer affecting women worldwide. So why might this be? Well, one theory suggests that it's all about the number of menstrual cycles a woman goes through in her lifetime. Women who never become pregnant, such as those who are infertile, often have fewer menstrual cycles. This is because pregnancy and breastfeeding naturally create breaks in the menstrual cycle. Each menstrual cycle causes changes in the cells of the breasts and ovaries, and fewer cycles mean fewer changes. This could potentially reduce the risk of these cells becoming cancerous. Another theory relates to the hormones involved in pregnancy. When a woman is pregnant, her body produces high levels of certain hormones, including estrogen and progesterone. These hormones stimulate the growth of cells in the breasts and ovaries. Therefore, women who don't get pregnant may have lower lifetime exposure to these hormones, which could in turn reduce their risk of developing breast and ovarian cancers. It's important to note that these are just theories and that more research is needed to fully understand the link between infertility and a decreased risk of certain cancers. However, these findings do provide a new perspective on infertility, showing that it might have some unexpected health benefits. This doesn't mean that infertility should be sought after or that it's not a difficult experience for many people, but it does suggest that there might be a silver lining to this cloud, a potential advantage that's often overlooked in discussions about infertility. Infertility may not be a curse, but a blessing in disguise when it comes to health protection. So if you're dealing with infertility, remember that it might just be protecting you in ways you hadn't even considered. Infertility, often seen as a disadvantage, has hidden benefits that are scientifically supported. As we've journeyed through this discussion, we've taken apart the traditional narratives and biases surrounding infertility, exploring the unspoken yet significant benefits it can offer. We've delved into science-backed research, highlighting the advantages of infertility. We've learned that it's not just about not having children, it's about the potential for a longer, healthier life. It's about the chance to be free from certain disease risks that are often associated with fertility and childbirth. We've looked at the longevity advantage. Infertility, surprisingly, can be a key to a longer life. We've discovered that some of the world's longest-lived women were infertile, a fact that challenges our traditional understanding of health and longevity. We've also explored the health protection benefit. Infertility can act as a natural shield against a range of diseases, including ovarian and breast cancer. While it's not a guarantee, this protection is a significant advantage that comes with infertility. This journey has shown us that it's essential to challenge traditional perceptions of infertility. It's time we start seeing it not as a disadvantage, but as a different path, one that can lead to unexpected benefits. It's time to appreciate the diversity of human experiences and to acknowledge that being different doesn't mean being less. Infertility is far from being a one-size-fits-all experience. It can bring challenges, no doubt, but it also brings unique opportunities and benefits. It's a complex journey, one that demands understanding, empathy, and respect. Remember, every cloud has a silver lining, and infertility is no exception. It's all about perspective. So let's continue to challenge the stereotypes. Let's continue to learn. And most importantly, let's continue to support each other along the way.